Okay, so we are going to first, um, we're going to add some of this seed starting, this block here that we have been using for that. But we first have to spray it with, clean it with what you said?
Some alcohol or something to make sure that you're not growing any bacteria or transferring any funguses or anything.
Okay, so we're gonna use this bucket, and I already have water in there.
Okay.
And so the way I did this one here is that I just got it wet, just the surface, and then just with my hand just scraped it off, and then was doing it little by little, so that you don't do more than what you wanted for um, those trays. So you get the bottom wet. And stuff. Then you actually the first make sure you take it, and then you get it in, and then you do it. Give them first. It seems like you have a lot of you want to do it. So it's a lot that will start you know actually have another. Then we don't I think never really actually see this. And then so yeah, yes. Yeah, that's what I should get. More. More. That's the one.
But you want it moist enough to hold a shape when you squeeze it.
Okay, so you want it moist enough, like that.
That's probably a little too wet. But you just want to be able to squeeze it and hold a shape like that. Not a hard squeeze, but
So then,
fine. I have that for enough. I'll leave it.
you want to do it there. You don't hide it here.
Who's gonna be able to grow?
I said 80%. Yes. And what's you have this first only
So there's no two, There's no one.
yeah, no, that's not more than that. Yeah.
I don't want this.
And this
No, I still have to clean that one. Go with my 3 fingers because it fits in here good, and I just kind of do a gentle. It's not under under.
yeah, yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Yeah. You know, I'm good. Right? But you're not hiding that anymore. That's
That's just the seeds next in.
Are you also going to use it when you first clean it out? Okay. Right, so we're going to do it.
And then I'm going to use a little pen or pencil or something and come along and put some little. Okay, so what I picked out is we're going to do this baby spinach, and it is 7 to 10 days to germination. And the package says 1/2 inch planting depth.
I have no idea who that was on the motorcycle. Just waving at us.
They like it. But it says planting 1/2 inch deep, and this is 30 to 40 days to harvest. So because it's a baby spinach, so it's meant to be harvested as baby. So
Okay.
this should be cut for eating in about 30 to 40 days, depending on how the environment is.
Okay. And
so
today is the 13th November.
Today is November
So
13th.
about December or so.
Maybe Christmas.
All right. So they'll be ready sometime by Christmas.
Yeah. So I had opened this previously and I had this tape shut. So if I can get it open. Alright, so these seeds look pretty dry. And I have my pencil. I'm going to use this to. I'm going to do like colors one, maybe purples. I'm just going to here.
You need 4.
Yeah, just 'cause actually these are old seeds from last year, so I'm just going to do 4 holes each one. And do a little 4 actually. Very nice little weather. You should do very good. Yeah, stop right.
No, it's no, it's more.
Oh, yeah.
There's time back here.
All right.
How many are you putting?
One each roll.
What?
Just one.
Maybe 4 maybe. It's good. No,
This is 3 days.
yes, that's what I'm
This is not
saying.
that's one in the middle. I'm not sure that's it. Oops, I'm not
And these are always the
Close.
Close.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you see, this one. Fancy little. There's a group of 3 seeds together. You got 3 little seeds on the water.
Go right.
Yeah. So I still have a lot of extra seeds. So I'm gonna put them back in here and we'll see what we do, and maybe we'll do another tray of spinach in a couple of weeks. We'll see how those do.
Okay.
And like I said, they're old, so they're from last year, so I don't expect perfect germination, but I'm just gonna take this and just kind of tamp down the seeds. Just kind of push them just with the weight of the pencil just to the bottom of the hole. Listen. Go.
Okay. Next thing we just water.
Well, what I like to do is just come with a little bit of dirt, soil starter mix, and just kind of cover up the top. Just lightly. When I spray it down, they'll sink in.
Oh, that's
That's not a see here. It's always I know you don't need them. These are just good contact the hardiness so it wins well and starts growing. Okay. Hold it. Contact this. I'm gonna spray it all down.
Okay.
Okay, where's my water spray bottle?
The spray bottle. It was.
In the house.
It's in the house. I'll go grab it. Here it is.
Okay. So what I do, I have this high output adjustable sprayer.
Okay.
And I usually do 1 full squeeze in each cell.
Let's see how you think. Yeah. Okay.
So we're gonna go inside. Oh, and label these. These have numbers on them and letters, so if you want to do different things and keep track, you can. But like I said, you want to make sure it's germination about the same time so that you can take the top off. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, so I have the saran wrap. I'm just going to put it on top and we're straightening out all the clingy corners. That's it. I'm just going to flick it around like that, and then I'm going to get my little marker.
1.
Okay, so we're going to use these little color coding labels.
Instead of trying to write it on there because it didn't stay.
We'll just do it like this and we'll write it.
Now we're gonna use the fine tip. And the date. Okay, that works out better. And then this is gonna be in this containers here for about a month, you say?
This is probably gonna be in this container after it germinates, maybe 2 weeks, maybe.
2 weeks?
Maybe.
Okay.
So the time to harvest is the days from germination to harvest on average.
Okay.
So this will probably be in here 2 weeks after it germinates before it's big enough to transplant.
Okay.
Approximately.
Okay. Perfect. All right.
So we'll come back and we'll show you, hopefully, we'll show you when we transplant the spinaches.
All right. Perfect. All right. See you guys next time.